What's up everybody? Just wanted to take a minute to share with you one of the things that I've found that can be a drawback of cruising. Just look behind me. What we have behind me is 3 cruise ships. All 3 of these cruise ships have docked in the same port here at Costa Maya. Absolutely gorgeous place, but you just have to be aware that when you are traveling via cruise line, you're going to come into a port that typically has at least 2 or 3 cruise ships in port. So what that means is you are going to fight a lot of people to see a lot of the same things and a lot of cool places. So Costa Maya is not a private island. Costa Maya was one of the first cruise ports that was built specifically for cruisers, and that means that a lot of ships dock here. So you will not be alone. You will be going on and off of your ship, walking along with people who are going on and off of their ships respectively, all along the same boardwalk. So you're gonna fight a little bit of traffic there. It's gonna feel a little less personal. That being said, once you get into Costa Maya is a ton of fun. Check out my Costa Maya video and you'll see how much I really love the little village feel that they have there. So that's it guys. That's one of the drawbacks that you're gonna see when you're on cruising. Just make sure that you know that you got other people out there with you. Have fun, happy cruising.